Hello friends, in this video we are going to limit the exert length. So let's check how we are going to do the exert length optimization. So let's begin it. So exert is basically a short description of the post. So if you go to the posts, here we have the all posts, and if you go to edit the post, somewhere exert is there, right? Exert. And if you don't able to see that exert option, so what you are going to do, go to the screen options. Here you need to check this where it is revisions exert. So I have checked it. If so I've checked it, then it is visible, right? So make sure it is checked from the screen options, then it is visible, and add it, then update it. Okay. So here I have just trimmed to that content. I'm just calling using the exert, equal the exert. I have created a function exert. Here it's a function takes the limit and it will get the exert function of the WordPress limit. Add a pop that, implode that function with dot dot, and return that excerpt length. Okay. So here I have put the length, which length I have put 12. If I put 20 and save and reload this page, so its length is 20 with dot dot, right? So this is how we can do the exert length. Okay. So let's do the next one also the same way. I can limit the content length also. If I go and just check, here I'm going to add content, and here content would be 20. So here if I'm going to load it, see the content is like 20 content length is coming, right? So here you can optimize the length of the content and trim the exert length also. These are the two functions that I'm using: exert and then content. We need to just create a function, just get the WordPress function in one variable, and then count the limit is greater than, then implode that function with dot dot dot. Okay. So this is how we are going to achieve that length, trim the length of the content and the excerpt. So thank you. And one more thing, to get the content of the post, you need to add get the content, and get the excerpt length. You can get the excerpt or the excerpt. Both are usable. That's a WordPress dictionary. Okay. And in the WordPress codex, if I go to check WordPress codex or WordPress developer, excerpt excerpt length. Okay. So I'm going to take the excerpt length. Here is the information of the excerpt. You can use the excerpt function, and here is the function to limit the excerpt length. If this part is not gonna work for you, so what you are going to do, just create two functions, call these functions in your what where you have calling, and just put like this. Okay, and you can modify this function accordingly. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.